Recording is on.
It is the 13th of August, 2020. WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay. Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. Not too much. I had a bunch of things preoccupying me. Family. So I'll do that in order. I did read up on masks again. I renewed my Make subscription. They sent me a letter that my credit card didn't work, so I updated my info and renewed my Make subscription. And I was reading up again on or thinking about some big ideas about COVID and masks. And that is about it. Coming week, maybe I am hoping to do a little more to help pass on the two red tape things, the charitable status report and the renewal, the less urgent renewal of the service mark, extreme manufacturing. And the blocks are lots of things moving along with family. One of my kids is here, another's thinking of coming. And an in-law is thinking of coming. So after a long run-up, things are actually happening. And that's it. That's it for me.
Great. Last week, I got my ESP32, which is an Arduino clone that has built-in Wi-Fi and built-in Bluetooth. I got a demonstration program running on it, which feeds keystrokes in, so just text. It connects up to my old phone and looks like a keyboard, so the data that I want to send, I just point it out to the Bluetooth channel and it shows up. Did a little bit of investigation and found a app called Signal, which you have to have a phone number for the first install. And then after that, you can put it on as many devices as you want with the same not really a password, it's an authorization. Oh, my bandwidth is low, so I probably sound bad. Well, anyway, I will continue. The data from the ESP32 comes through reliably on my phone, and I can see it on my other phone and on my computer via a web interface. So I think that's going to work. And next week, I'm hoping that I'm going to get that connected up to the distance sensor, the one that the Arduino is connected to, and get it put into a container of some sort that's suitable for sitting outside, running on battery. And if that happens, I'll be ecstatic. I would love to get some of the explanation recorded and edited. I'll attempt to get it recorded. I'm not sure if I'll get it edited. And I still have 3 new Raspberry Pis and that sun catcher board replacement that I haven't opened up yet. And I guess that's about it for me, except that I'm going to mention that Joe did get the forms filled out for the extreme manufacturing. So he had posted that here a couple days ago. Maybe you haven't seen that. Anyway, one less thing on your to-do list.
Cool. Okay. So I have myself a 3, the team a 10, because you're rolling. in my view. And process improvement, I'm not thinking of anything right now, except hopefully getting on a meeting again next week. And so that's it for me.
Okay. I think I got 2 out of 3 points for my targets this week. So I got I think 7 out of 10 for me, and I'm going to give 6 for the team because we still need more than 2 people to show up. And it is I don't have a process improvement. I think just getting stuff done is about as good as we're going to get until we get a few more people show up.
Yep.
Do you have anything for crosstalk?
Yeah. Let's turn off the video.
Okay, in a second.
First question is, it says my microphone appears to be noisy. Are you hearing noise?
Yeah, I'm getting some background noise. It almost sounds like you're dropping it against the table or something.
Yeah, okay, I did put it down, and it's not satisfactory because I'm glad you're not getting a lot of feedback because basically I've got a speaker, and
yeah, you get quiet sometimes when it gets far enough away from your mouth.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to stop recording. Yes.
Okay.